Okay guys, I'm about to head to work. It's the night after the snowstorm, so I can't take my scooter, so I'm gonna have to walk, and it's really cold outside. I'm hoping that I don't run into any trouble while walking to work. I don't slip, fall. I want to get inside because no, I don't do walking at nighttime. There's too much shit going on. Okay, it doesn't feel that bad, but then again, I just left the building, so let's see how I feel. Okay, crossing the street was a hassle. That's the bus. I got my mace because there still be fucking creeps outside, believe it or not. And I got a little something extra. Okay, this is the annoying part. Like, stepping over this fucking snow. What the fuck? Alright. Alright. Made it. Okay, that building did not shovel, so it was a little difficult for me to walk. Man, if I was on my scooter, I would have been at work already. Like literally 5 minutes. But walking, this is my least favorite part, is coming through this tunnel walking. It's just one of the reasons why I got a scooter in the first place, because this is like a trap, especially late at night. But, you know, just gotta get through it. I made it inside the building.